My name is Saidu Kamara, and I attended Ideal Institute of Technology. Um, I took the CompTIA, um, and I did find out about Ideal through the internet. I was searching for um, an IT school to do my CompTIA certification, and then I came across Ideal and I loved it, and yeah, so here am I. I found out a lot. I did a lot of research. They have like hands-on when it comes to the technology classes that they offer, and so I did a lot of research about the classes, and of course they have affordable. It's affordable as well, and the quality of education and the teachings as well. So yeah. Yes, the hands-on lab, I will say it's the labs were well placed. It's easy to use. Technology is easy to use, and it helps you. It feels like you're doing, in as much as you're doing hands-on on the computer as a lab, but it feels like you have like the physical equipment or the tools in front of you. So yeah, everything was smooth. The software is something that I will highly recommend to anyone who wants to do online and hands-on labs. Yeah, Justin was my instructor, and he's someone who is dedicated. He's always there to help students to with their labs. He answers questions, and he do a lot of hands-on together with the students here in Ideal. He always checks on students, send us emails, notification of delays, notification of openings and closing. So yeah, he's someone who is very diligent in what he does. Yes, so I'll just give a brief background about myself. So I actually have a BSc in Business and Information Technology, and also an MBA. So having these certifications is something that I've always wanted to add to my credentials, and yeah, I will say, yeah, I will continue to get them under my belt. I've done the A plus certification of on the N Network Plus, and I will see. Yeah, I'll definitely continue to add these certifications under my belt. I will say this is the beginning of a new phase in your career. So I want to say congratulations to all the students who achieved at Ideal, and continue to pursue your dreams, continue to build on your career, and always come back at Ideal. Yeah, thank you to the faculty members, first of all, and I also would like to thank them for a curriculum well placed. The curriculum is well put. I will say that it's highly recommendable to anyone who wants to pursue IT. They have a very good curriculum for us here at Ideal. Yeah.